I'd like to wish all my colleagues and happy patients a very happy Oral and Maxillofacial Surgeons Day. Those of us in this specialty are privileged to change the lives of so many people who come to us with multiple deformities related to the face, be it from trauma, deformities caused by accidents or tumor surgery, or even congenital deformities. We get to change the lives of many people across different age groups. So we celebrate this day not just to celebrate the success of all the happy patients that we have been able to treat so far, but also as a means to create awareness in the society about how we can help patients with deformities of the face to improve their lives, for them to get back to normal life and get back into society.